In a surprising turn of events, NASA has announced the cancellation of its highly anticipated VIPER, or Volatiles Investigating Polar Exploration Rover mission to the Moon. This decision comes after a comprehensive internal review, which revealed significant challenges that ultimately led to the project's discontinuation. Today, we'll delve into the reasons behind this decision, its implications for lunar exploration, and NASA's plans moving forward. The VIPER mission was initially conceived as a groundbreaking endeavor to search for ice and other potential resources on the Moon's surface. This rover was designed to support NASA's commitment to lunar exploration and help unravel some of the greatest mysteries of our solar system. However, the project faced numerous obstacles that ultimately led to its cancellation. One of the primary factors contributing to VIPER's demise was the escalating costs associated with the project. As with many complex space missions, unforeseen challenges and technological hurdles led to budget overruns. These increasing expenses posed a significant threat to other ongoing and planned missions within NASA's portfolio. Another crucial issue was the repeated delays in the launch schedule. Initially slated for a late 2023 launch, the mission was first pushed back to late 2024 to allow for additional testing of the astrobotic lander. However, further complications arose, including supply chain disruptions, which further delayed VIPER's readiness date to September 2025. These delays not only increased costs, but also created logistical challenges in coordinating with other planned lunar missions. The Commercial Lunar Payload Services, or CLPS, program, which was set to deliver VIPER to the Moon's surface using Astrobotic's Griffin lander, also experienced delays, further complicating the mission timeline. NASA's decision to cancel VIPER was not made lightly. Nicola Fox, the Associate Administrator of NASA's Science Mission Directorate, emphasized the agency's continued commitment to lunar exploration. She stated, "We are committed to studying and exploring the Moon for the benefit of humanity through the CLPS program." The agency has an array of missions planned to look for ice and other resources on the Moon over the next 5 years. Despite the cancellation, NASA is determined to make the most of the technology and work that went into VIPER. The agency plans to disassemble the rover and repurpose its instruments and components for future Moon missions. This approach will allow NASA to salvage valuable resources and apply the knowledge gained from VIPER's development to other lunar initiatives. Interestingly, NASA is also open to potential collaborations with US industry partners or international space agencies. The agency has announced that it will consider expressions of interest from these parties for the use of the existing VIPER rover system at no cost to the government. This opportunity could potentially breathe new life into the VIPER project, albeit in a different form or under different management. As for the future of lunar exploration, NASA has alternative plans to accomplish many of VIPER's original goals. One such initiative is the Polar Resources Ice Mining Experiment 1, or Prime 1, scheduled to land at the Moon's South Pole in late 2024. This mission will search for water ice and carry out resource utilization demonstrations using advanced drilling and spectrometry technologies. Furthermore, NASA's crewed Artemis missions will incorporate instruments and vehicles, such as the Lunar Terrain Vehicle, to conduct mobile observations of volatiles across the Moon's south polar region. These missions will also provide astronauts with access to the Moon's permanently shadowed regions for dedicated sample return campaigns. It's worth noting that while VIPER itself won't make it to the Moon, its legacy will live on through the use of copies of 3 of its 4 instruments on future lunar landings. This ensures that the scientific objectives of VIPER will still be pursued, albeit through different means. The cancellation of VIPER serves as a reminder of the challenges inherent in space exploration. Missions of this complexity require immense resources, precise planning, and the ability to adapt to unforeseen circumstances. While the loss of VIPER is undoubtedly a setback for lunar exploration, it also demonstrates NASA's commitment to responsible resource management and its ability to pivot and find alternative solutions. As we look to the future of lunar exploration, it's clear that NASA's vision remains strong. The agency continues to push the boundaries of human knowledge and technological capabilities, all in the pursuit of understanding our closest celestial neighbor. While VIPER may not make its journey to the moon, the spirit of exploration and scientific inquiry that drove its development will undoubtedly fuel future missions and discoveries in the vast expanse of space.